While 99% of traders waste their time and money, the rest earn. Their secret is a free trading bot based on artificial intelligence, which earned $10,000 in only 5 days. This bot analyzes the market 24/7 and makes decisions faster than any human. No emotions, only cold calculation and profit. Let's test this bot in practice. Click Launch Bot and select the token pair you would like to trade. Then, select the time frame you would like to trade in. We will choose 1 minute for the sake of this video. After you choose the time frame, the bot will begin analyzing the token and looking for a valid signal. The bot gave us a buy signal on Bitcoin, so we will open a buy position on the exchange and see what happens. That's a winning trade. Let's select another token to trade and generate another signal. Click Request Another Signal and select a new token to analyze. Nice! We have received another buy signal, so we will buy Ethereum on the exchange and see what happens. Another winning trade. This is how we got several successful signals from artificial intelligence in just a few clicks. Flare easy trading for everyone. The bot is absolutely free and is already waiting for you in Telegram. Simplicity, convenience, and future technologies all in one place. Follow the link in the description and try it yourself.